Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
good evening. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay,
Thank you
okay,
for asking.
okay.
Okay, and how about you?
I am good as well. Thank you for asking.
Okay,
Please tell me something about yourself. What is your name and where are
okay,
you?
yeah, okay, fine. So, yeah, I am Chandana and I am from West Bengal. And
Okay,
I have completed my studies. I have done masters in science,
okay,
and my hobbies are mm, traveling and watching movies. That's it.
okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So, why do you want to learn English? What is the reason
So,
behind?
all right.
Okay,
Yeah, actually, I wanted to learn this language since my childhood, but
okay,
I haven't spoken earlier. So
okay,
now I have time, so I thought, okay, I should work on it. Yeah,
okay,
that's why
okay.
I'm trying to improve my English fluency.
Okay, that's great. It is important nowadays. Learning English is important.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
So is it important to, yeah,
Yeah, I
do you
was
want to ask?
asking that.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Like, what do you do by profession?
Hey, I used to teach in private school earlier before this pandemic, but nowadays I don't teach. And I have 13 years of teaching experience. Uh,
So now, yeah, how is it going your channel?
yeah, it is good, I can say. It is good, going on
Okay.
good. So do you watch my video? Do you watch?
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
yeah, sometimes I watch.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you for watching. So I want to ask, do you want to ask something?
Uh,
So,
no, no, you ask.
okay. So Well, is it important to sound like native speaker? To speak like native speaker? Like some people say that it is important to sound like native speaker. That some people
Okay.
want to learn accent. So is it important? In your opinion, what do you think?
Okay. Okay. All like in my opinion, I don't think so. It is important that our Indian accent is absolutely fine, and I like our Indian accent. And but if you work with like you deal with daily with foreigners, then I
Hmm.
think it is required. Otherwise, I think it's fine.
Yeah, I also feel so because sounding like native speaker should not be our goal. If we focus
Yes.
too much on our accent, so it is very difficult. It becomes very difficult for us to learn English.
Yes.
So I also don't
Yeah.
think that there is any problem in our Indian accent. Yes,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
good. So why should we copy
Yeah.
others? Isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So one more question I want to ask. Why is like perfection, like why is progress more important than perfection?
Okay.
What do you think?
All right. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, so yes, definitely progression is more important than perfection
Hmm.
because for progression is comes with I think flexibility. Like we become more flexible with our setbacks or failures. Like we can accept or let go them easily. But if
Yeah.
I we talk about perfection, it comes with lot of baggage. Like
Mhm.
lot of negative things comes when we don't get the desired result. So
Mhm.
yeah, and eventually it like we get frustrated. So I
Mhm.
think progression is better,
And I don't think
far
that
better than
that day will never come. I think that when we will be perfect. You know, that day will
yes,
never
yes,
come.
yes,
When we
yeah,
focus too much on perfection, then
yeah,
we start worrying at every step. Like we are talking to each
yes,
other now. Now we are talking to each
yes,
other. If we start focusing on a perfection, we think that if I make mistake, so people will laugh at us. They may judge us.
yeah,
They
yeah,
will make fun of us. Then we will not be able to speak English, no? So I also think that
yes,
making mistake is better than faking perfection. So making
yeah,
mistake
yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
mean that you are a failure. It only means that you are
yes,
trying and learning something new. And
yes,
focusing
yes,
too much on
definitely.
progress, can make it much easier to reach our goal.
Yeah.
So I think we
And
should. Hmm.
eventually you will become perfect if you
Yeah, yeah,
only focus on the progress.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. You are right. And so I think we should trust in, we should believe in ourselves and our work,
Yes.
and take
Yeah.
small steps and ignore big drama. That day
Yeah.
will perfect.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. We
So,
can't think so much about the process. Yeah. Then
yeah,
we can't achieve what we want to achieve.
yeah, no, earlier also I knew all the grammar rules, and my grammar was okay, but I was not able to talk to people because of lack of practice. I also used to think that if I make mistake, people will laugh at me, they may judge me. So
Yes.
because of lack of practice, I couldn't speak like earlier. But nowadays, I don't think
Yeah.
like doesn't matter what people think. Let them think whatever they think. If I make mistake,
Yes. Yes.
then it's okay. It is not our mother tongue. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I also used to think like that, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I am just nothing like I'm not thinking much.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just working on it. Yeah,
Yeah, we should not think, na? Otherwise, we will never be able to talk to anyone and speak in English. So,
yeah.
apart from like, have you ever been to any other states of India?
No, no, unfortunately not yet, but I would love to in future.
Okay.
And have you been anywhere?
Yeah, yeah. I have been to 4 or 5 states. Like I have
Okay,
been to Rajasthan and Punjab, UP, Uttarakhand, and Jammu
okay.
and Kashmir, Himachal. If I talk about
Wow.
Rajasthan, I visited there many times because my sister lives there.
Oh,
I mean, her in-laws' house is there. They belong to Rajasthan.
okay.
So I visited there many
So
times.
in
Yeah.
Rajasthan, how many places have you been visited?
Rajasthan only one place, like my sister's house.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. I have visited
That's
once. I visited there Jaipur also.
okay.
Hmm. Jaipur
So
also.
how's the city?
How is? Yeah, good. Jaipur is very like
Yeah,
wonderful city. Very beautiful city. Hmm.
yeah,
There are so many
I heard
historical
about that.
monuments there. If you visit there, there are so many like spots there.
Okay,
And if I talk about Punjab, I visited there for treatment purpose, and
okay,
I visited UP to see like Taj Mahal in Agra,
okay,
and Uttarakhand I visited there like to Haridwar. I went to Haridwar, and Jammu and Kashmir I went to like Vaishno Devi. So all these places I
okay,
visited 2 times. Like once I visited there with my family members, and once I visited there with our school teachers. Our
okay.
as our school management arranged a trip,
Hmm.
and we visited there. Most of
Yeah,
the teachers
that
went there.
that was fun,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think.
we enjoyed a lot there. We had
Yeah,
a fun, lots of fun there. So, so what else? Okay,
yeah,
can I ask you one more question?
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay, if you got magic power for one day only, so what would be the
Okay,
first thing you would like to do?
okay. It was a very funny question.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but I have so many things to do. But
Okay,
what
okay,
should I say? Share?
okay,
Okay, I will share one or two things.
okay, okay.
If I had such power,
Mhm.
I will definitely